Jay Wagner, who's this? Good morning. 7 people, thank you so much, 7 people. I'm not to need you know the time is turning back somehow. Good morning, Jay Wagner. Good morning. Oh, the birds are celebrating. They are singing. Starting over again. I will put the last bread for them. I'll put the last bread. I put the last bread so they can eat it all. Good morning, everybody. Greg, that penguin. Greg already put all the bread so they can eat it all. There's no penguin. I am the penguin, Greg. Greg, I am the penguin. Yeah, that one penguin is the big boss. I am the penguin, really, Greg. Oh my God, I am not Lady Peanut now. I'm Lady Penguin. I become penguin, Greg. Wow, so many birds now. At least I can help. At least today I have something good thing I did. Like I feed the birds. Yeah. Yeah, that big loud. Oh my God, they're flying. Lady Penguin. Bigla I am the Lady Penguin. Next time I will bring again bread. Because I know every morning birds is hungry. They are hungry in the morning. See so many birds coming now, Greg and Biglon. See, they will come now. Wow! Lady Peanut Penguin.